eSIMgo Honest Review, my real user experience with instant eSIM activation. Traveling with a local SIM has never been easier thanks to eSIMgo, which promises instant eSIM activation without a physical card. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people think getting an international SIM is slow and complicated. The surprising truth is that eSIMgo lets you activate service within minutes all digitally. I purchased an eSIM for Europe, scanned the QR code, and my phone connected immediately. Plans are flexible, ranging from a few days to several months, with competitive data rates. Coverage was excellent across multiple countries, and speeds matched local networks perfectly. I didn't experience downtime even when crossing borders. The app is intuitive. You can manage multiple eSIMs, monitor data usage, and top up plans effortlessly. Customer support is responsive via chat, helping troubleshoot minor setup issues quickly. One standout feature is that eSIMgo supports multiple devices, so you can use the same plan on a tablet or secondary phone. This makes it ideal for business travelers or families. Pricing is transparent, with no hidden fees. While slightly higher than local prepaid SIMs, the convenience of instant activation and multi-country coverage justifies the cost. In conclusion, eSIMgo delivers a seamless, fast and reliable solution for travelers needing data on the go. If you want to avoid airport SIM queues or juggling multiple local cards, eSIMgo is worth trying.